Hello and welcome to day 43 of 90 Days of Numbers, and today we're looking at VLOOKUP. So what this allows us to do is have one table to the right hand side where we can put in the grade boundaries for the different grades, and then automatically it will populate the table with the grades based on the percentages in the left hand table for the students. So what this allows us to do is year on year we can easily change the grade boundaries or for different tests. And it means that we don't have to change all of that if formula as we did before. It automatically does it for us. So as you can see, as I change the grade boundaries, the grades will change in the grade column to the left hand side. So this can be really useful. And the way we go about doing this is, first of all, if I pretend that this is grade boundaries for 2019 or 2020, and then I've populated it, and I've based it at this point on percentages, so it doesn't look like percentages, but we won't worry about that. So we're going to type in a formula, so VLOOKUP, and then we're going to start with where we're going to search for it. So we're looking at the percentage that the pupil's got. That's the information we've got. We're going to highlight the whole of the table where the get grade boundaries are, because that's where we're going to tell numbers to look for the information. And then we want it to take the column number 2 from this information. So we type in 2, and then it's exact lookup. Let's go through that again. New formula, VLOOKUP is what we're using. So we're using a lookup feature. We're going to search for the percentage. We're going to search in the whole of the grade boundaries situation. The column number we're looking for that we want a return on is column 2. And then it's a closed match because it's exact and it populates it exactly. If I then highlight this cell, click on cell, go to autofill and drag it down, then it autofills most of them. For some reason, I don't know why, it doesn't do it for all of them. So what I do here, re-enter or just re-sort out that formula. For some reason, it takes off the whole of the grade boundary thing. But as soon as I fix it, put it in, I can then do exactly the same, autofill this down. So what it's doing is it's looking in this right-hand table, looking at the percentage, and then dragging across the grade that goes with that. And what it basically means is as I change those grade boundaries, whatever I want them to be. So remember, I'm working off percentages here. So the column that I'm working off is a percentage column. It's shown it as a percentage. So here I can just change it to look like percentages, and then I could just use it off that as well. So I don't have to have those decimal places. I can just now type in 69 and it will do that as a percent. And so like I said, I can change grade boundaries and it will automatically change the grade that goes with it. So B is now from 78%. E, I'm now changing to 45%. D, C, I'm now changing to 78%. And then, we have different populations.